Hey, what's going on everyone? Sebastian here. Today I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer your competitors. Now, if you can spy on your competitors, this would be like adding rocket fuel to your Amazon listings. They're obviously doing something right if they're among your top competitor lists. So why not see what you can model from what they're doing? Now, before I get into this quick training, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please join my private tribe. We're a super tight-knit group on Facebook, and I release a ton of free content on there. So be the first to know when new videos come out. Just click the link below to join the group. Now, to the training. The easiest way to spy on your competitors and upgrade your own products would be just to simply buy them. Buy your competitors' products. Now, I know as an Amazon seller, you're probably thinking, hell no. I do not want to give the slightest competitive advantage to my competitors by giving them an extra sale on my part. Now, if you can remove that framework of thinking and think to yourself, okay, if you buy their product, what are the benefits? Well, you'll be able to analyze the quality of their product, their packaging design, and their email follow-up sequences. They're literally going to give this to you on a silver platter. Now, when you're looking at the packaging design, this can help you improve your packaging design. Look at what the verbiage is, really analyze how their product works, what it says, how the packaging looks, and use this as a guide to see how you can push into your own business. If you can upgrade certain aspects of your business, do so, right? You always want to continually improve on Amazon. And so, especially when getting reviews, some of the top sellers on Amazon, including your competitors, are doing some really neat things. And the easiest way to see what the content of their emails looks like is to buy their product. How many emails are they sending you? What do the emails look like? Are they including, free trainings, PDFs, ebooks, whatever? Look at that data and use it in your own business. It's really that easy, guys. And, another beautiful thing is you can also see, do they have product inserts? If so, how do the inserts work? Are they offering, a text this number to get a free product? There are, some of the top sellers are doing crazy things to get reviews. Some good, some not, but you can take that data and it's literally at your fingertips. All you got to do is buy your your competitors' products, and that's it. Take the good and put it into yours, and what you don't like, you'll leave that out, but you'll still have this data. That way you can see and know what you're working with and who you're really competing with on Amazon. Now, this is just a quick takeaway tip. I know you guys will crush it if you use this guide. You can literally do this today. So leave me a comment below if you found this useful, like this video, and of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.